What I'm going to show you folks is the way Khook works with external event sources. Feature I've been working on during the last month. It has lots of moving pieces, but finally I have something working that I can show, and makes me very happy. So basically, let's see what we have here. The basic flow, the idea is that we're getting events from a Redis subpub queue, and those events will be about Jira, and we have an agent in Kagent that is a Jira agent, which is connected to a Jira MCP, and that allows it to read issues from Jira and also to create issues in Jira. So the flow we're going to show is there is a new message in Redis PubSub to create an issue, and there is a hook that defines then whenever an issue is created, a Jira agent should be called. Yeah, let me show that to you. First of all, let's look at the hook. So we have this Redis external hook. Let's look at it. Okay, get hook, Redis external hook -o YAML. So what we can see here is that this hook defines event configurations. There is a source, and that source is called Redis events. And then it defines that whenever an event of type create issue happens, the agent to be called is Jira agent in Kagent namespace. Prompt that tells the agent to create a Jira issue with the parameters coming from the event. And the parameters are the project key that comes from the events metadata project field, and summary and description. All right, and let's see if this works. So in order for that to happen, we need an event source to be defined, and that is defined by another CRD called external event source, and that's the Redis event source. It basically says there's a service in the Kagent namespace called Redis event source kagent.svc. So if we look at deployments in the Kagent namespace, there will be a Redis event source deployment. We can see that it's a deployment that runs with the following parameters. It listens on port 50,051, and it connects to Redis that runs in the Redis namespace in the cluster. So we'll get kget pod -n Redis. We'll see that Redis is running there, and we also have a Redis inside, which we can look at here, right here. So currently the PubSub has no recent messages, but we'll post a message here shortly. Okay, now basically we also have, let's look at what we have in the Kagent namespace. So we have the Jira agent here, and we have Khook running, and we have the mcp-atlassian. And when we look at the Jira agent definition, we will see that it has the following tools coming from the mcp-atlassian server: Jira create issue, batch create issue, delete issue, get all projects. And it's a Jira master, of course, that can autonomously create and resolve issues from Jira. The final thing we need to do is we need to create a Jira PubSub message. So let me go here and copy the message. So we'll be sending a message to the Khook events channel, and the message will be my test 001, and this has some explicit params. And maybe, yeah, we'll change the summary, record a demo video, and you can see that this will be created for a project named ECS, and we will send this. So the message has been sent. We haven't subscribed to the channel before that, but let's see if the issue and you can see that the issue has been created. And if we look at Kagent right here, we can see that there was a chat created for that. the agent used the Jira create issue tool and created an issue successfully. So basically, that's all I wanted to show.